Welcome! Today I'm with Motorola Moto G60s and I'll show you if this smartphone comes with factory installed screen protection. So let's zoom in a little bit and take a look on the screen. For example, right here. Unfortunately, we cannot spot here any kind of the protection. So this device comes without factory installed foil or the tempered glass. So if you want to improve the protection and protect your display from the scratches and other breaks, you can definitely input here some kind of the tempered glass, and you can check it in the next video on our YouTube channel. So basically that's all. This smartphone comes without any protection on the display as default, and if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.